I saw this one TikTok that said, one thing about me is I'm gonna make sure my lashes, my nails, and my feet are done. Because I'm not gonna be depressed and ugly. So that's why. Okay, my hair is done. I'm just rocking the bonnet. This is what we got. Okay? There was $10. I got both. I'm going to eat these because I think these are gonna taste better. I'm a fan of sour candy, but not like that. Also, just found out my nails glow in the dark. These are press-ons from Walmart, I believe. So, oh no, these are pull-up. Oh, they are Pepsi Cola. But I'm gonna eat them. Okay. It's 500 milligrams the whole pack, so I'm gonna eat it. Also, I think my AirPod. Oh. I thought my AirPod was stuck in my ear. Is that like 3? There's so many in here. 5 medicated food gummies are made in small batches from a clean facility with top tier ingredients. It said it is made in Cali, so. Oh, wow. There's so many. I'm gonna start eating them like 2 at a time. I'm making ugly faces because the texture be nasty. It's a hybrid. This one don't say a sticker thing on it. Let's see if I can peel it back. Why are y'all covering it? Okay. That just says 600 milligrams. Oh, the other one don't say. It just says medicated. Let me see if I can get the back sticker off. They overdid it with the tape, the stickers and shit. I got 3 more, y'all. They got other flavors too. This one don't say, it just say the ingredients. I ate them. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be back in an hour. Last time I did like 30, 45 minutes and then an hour, and then several hours, and that did nothing. So, it's noon. So once it's about 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, I'll be back. Hey y'all, so we're gonna attempt to do our lashes. I just took that Delta 8 edible, 500 milligrams, nasty Coca-Cola flavor, but yeah. So, anyways, continue. get us the holidays. Did she take you home? Let me get in there. Where did I put the thing I was using to fan my lashes? I need that. What the hell? Where did it go? Did you see me put it somewhere? Did y'all see me put it somewhere? Alright, so this is the first layer. In my birthday video, I think I had told y'all that I use these. They from the Dollar Tree. Or the 25-cent store, whatever you want to call it. But I use the blue pack, I think. I don't know, I got them mixed up. So I'm using the blue pack for the bottom, and then I'm gonna use the purple for the top. Do I feel the edible? Maybe. What time is it? It is 12:38. It's only been about 38 minutes, so maybe. Yep. So I think I did pretty good. This is my third time or fourth time maybe. So pretty decent. I feel like making this so hard for myself, but make sure y'all can see, because I keep forgetting that I'm recording. We did 2. So I'm just gonna do one more. Ooh, child. Oh, that's a lot. That's how I feel about taxes. I was looking at my pay stubs and I had to hit a little. I feel that. You're like, wait a minute. Yeah, I would talk to them. Maybe some error. Oh, y'all, we was just having a whole attack right there. Alright, y'all, we gonna come back again with the other eye, because I don't know what just happened. Okay, it's been almost an hour. I don't think I feel it. Okay, it's giving Polar Express girl, but I'm Christmas ready, y'all. Can y'all tell though? The edible is hitting because I'm lit. Then figure out back up again. Oh my god. Okay. My nose is so little runny.